Hi everybody. Today I'm going to give you a very beautiful Hi everybody. Today I'm going to share an experience which will help you to become more fluent in English language. There are several resources in the world. Nowadays people they have many options to learn English. I hope you can believe it is social media. You can learn and there are several informative things on Google. You can search on Google and you can learn something. You can read newspaper, you can watch movie, you can learn different words, vocabularies on different YouTube channel. So there are several resources, but why still you are lagging in spoken English? Why still you are lacking? So I'm going to give you some solutions. So these kind of solutions can give you a hopeful environment to improve your confidence level to the next level. I would like to share an experience which happened in my life when I was working as a teacher. So I could remember this incident. When I was a teacher, I was looking so lean. I was going to the school by auto. So I felt too inferior at the time. So when I was working there, I found it very difficult to attend interview and I failed in many interviews. I could not express myself properly. I was not able to express everything grammatically. So I felt little inferior about myself and about my communication. So I struggled a lot to overcome that, but I could not do that because I didn't have interest to learn English. I lost all my interest because of criticism around me, and many higher officers started to criticize my language and the way I was making sentence. It was annoying them. So I found it very difficult. It was a tough time to work with some co-workers, some teachers also. So these are all the bad experience I am sharing right now with you. So even you may also undergoing such kind of depressions in your life. So don't think that you're totally depressed and you don't have any hopes to educate yourself, you don't have any hopes to encourage yourself, and no one is there around you, and everyone has been hating you and has been criticizing you, and some people they may embarrass, they may make yourself to be more embarrassed in front of everybody. So these kind of circumstances, these kind of situations can make you to fall down, and sometimes no one is there to lift you up from that place. So these are the consequences you have been facing inwardly. So I'll tell you how to control such kind of fear and how to overcome depressions in your life. Even I had several mental agonies. I came across many painful situations. So today I'm able to focus only on my goal, even though I get lots and lots of distractions into my mind. Even now it is happening. But I have found the right way to overcome that. I love to pray sometimes. Earlier I had spent a lot of time in front of God, and I took hours after hours to overcome such kind of fear. So nowadays gradually I have got tempted towards some fame, like when we become very famous on social media, so we can feel that we become more superior. So sometimes you can find faults and ups and downs in your life, as I am undergoing the same. So don't feel bad about yourself. You must understand these kind of things can be the cause which will make you to mold yourself. So even I have been molding myself how to become more perfect speaker and a good counselor to the people. So I don't sometimes I too feel inferior about my success. Sometimes there are many ups and downs in my career, so I don't give up, because sometimes there may be many negative thoughts coming into your mind and confusing you. and whenever you sit alone, you will be totally demotivated. So this kind of experience I have been undergoing too. So that's why I'm talking with you how to overcome such kind of things. First, you should understand life experience can be sometimes negative and positive. But when you start thinking about positive things, you will increase the probability of success. When you start thinking about negative things, then it will definitely spoil your success. Definitely it will spoil your success. So if you want to have that consistency towards your success, you must have persistence towards your goal. Your focus should be totally on goal. Like, I have to improve myself. So what kind of ways, what kind of things I can bring changes into my conversation. So I will give you some clues how to overcome your fear, how to defeat your inferiority complex, and how can you excel, how can you expose your ideas, how can you treat people, and how you learn many ways to handle people and handle situations too. So I will give you some tips. First, feel very confident always. You should believe yourself. Sometimes you should give room to your thoughts, which can be always positive. Don't give rooms to your negative thoughts. Definitely it will ruin you, and it will definitely destroy your career and your focus towards your goal. So first thing you are supposed to do, you have to meditate every day, you have to pray every day, and you have to do exercise. You have to increase your routine life and try to do something what you like the most, and then try to develop writing the positive things on your diary and read it loudly, and try to record some videos on your own and start speaking in English language, and try to listen to an incident and tell the incident, narrate the incident with your own words. It is not needed to use the same words which you have seen on the screen. So sometimes you may forget the words, you may remember whichever comes to your mind on the spot. Try to express it and replay your video and see the improvement, and again you can re-record it and share your watch your improvement again. You will get progressive result within 10 days. So this is what I do if I have very less confident about my fluency or about my goal or about my focus. If I'm being diverted from focus, I immediately find it, and I find the way to overcome such kind of distractions in my life and in my career too. So anyhow, so I have been giving some interesting facts, right? So try to increase your confidence level. So how can you increase your confidence level? So usually I don't love to be alone. When I want to be alone, I want to do some research. So when I want to do research, I want to be alone, and I want to think more and perform something greater than the previous one. So this is what I do. But don't try to be alone always. Try to engage yourself with society, with the people around you, and have some vacation outside, and you can meet different people every day. Don't try to see the same faces, it will be much boring. So you can find new friends, new people, you can meet business people around you and try to communicate with them, and you can even attend some prayer meeting, and you can attend English doctrines also, how to preach and how to express your ideas on your own. And if you have scripture at your home, you can read it thoroughly. Try to read English scripture, so it can help you a lot to improve your vocabulary too. And try to go outside, and if you feel to be in a forest area, or if you want to be if you want to feel the peace around you, try to visit some hill station, and you can be a lover of trekking, and there are several playful activities around you. You can stay calm and enjoy the nature and spend your time there every week, and so it would be much better, and it would give a good result to improve your positivity. So these are the ways I have chosen, and I have been following the same, and I want to increase my prayer life too. So I have been just helping myself to go ahead. So anyhow, So mistakes are always there in everyone's life. When you commit mistake, don't feel for that. Try to overcome that and try to not to repeat the same mistake again in your life. So I think I have been giving several points which can add merit to your positive life. Anyhow, if you have enjoyed this beautiful thought, definitely it would be helpful for you to overcome your fear and your depression, whatever it may be. It would be a milestone towards your success, and try to focus on your goal. Don't try to focus on negativity around you. I hope I have given you some points which can add value to your education as well as your English fluency. So if you want to learn more about English, you can reach out to my WhatsApp number I have given here. You can check my description and you can find out my number, and you can chat with me through WhatsApp and try to list out your depressions, like what kind of anxieties you are being undergoing in your career as well as in your life. Just list out your problem. Definitely I will come out with an interesting solution which can lead you in a right path, and it will help you to grow well, and you will find a positive way to generate good things, good thoughts around you. So thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel. Bye.